We have well, to me it feels like a lot. We have a lot of new subscribers. So thank you so much for joining us. We welcome you. We love all the support we can get. We hope you like the content. And you have great timing, by the way, because this is the first video of our mini series of our garage, it's not a garage, it's a storage unit. Our storage unit clean out, organization. But it's not just that. We're gonna go through a lot of our inventory. I ask Gabe a bunch of questions and he gives answers. He's been doing reselling long before him and I ever got together. So he brings a wealth of knowledge and some really awesome tips. So I really suggest if you're gonna watch any of our videos, it be this series. We kind of get to pick his brain a little bit. So it'll be a super fun video. So let's get into it. Can we take this home? Okay, we're just gonna put it. Where does this go to?
The trolling motors.
Oh. Do you want me to come shine the light there?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you hand me that poster board, baby?
Baseball clips.
That's right there.
We damaged them.
Well, there's a bunch of them that are in cases. I don't know how much that protects them though. I think I'm finally ready to take this thing apart and like put it into like a album. Kyla, yeah. Take this over there. Be very careful with it. Who's grandma? Yep. Kimmer's falling asleep. Yeah. Oh, there she goes. She's like, nope, you heard nothing. Bullets? This beautiful art we got right here.
You want to set up
Table?
the table at all, or no?
No. Okay. At least not right this second. What brand is this?
This is an MP3 player. This is pretty cool.
Oh.
These are Philips.
Oh.
Oh no, 2XL. Like that. These are actually worth money.
I remember playing with those in grade school.
This is an old. This was mine. This is an old Palm Pilot. Not worth what I paid for. Oh, look.
Is that the razor that you just had in your hand?
Yeah, this is a saver.
Oh.
This is another MP3 player. This is the Philips one.
It's like Philips version of the iPhone.
Look at GPS. Another Palm Pilot.
Dang.
One more.
Do you guys need help at all?
No. This goes to a remote.
Do you use Walkman?
Ooh.
Another one?
This is a Philips one. Those are. Some old stereo headphones. These are actually worth a little bit of money.
The contrast boxes?
Yep. This is a remote base.
Is that what goes to this?
No. Remote for that might be in another box. Oh, that's right.
Dang.
Yeah, before giving me. So now you can control your TVs with the smartphone, but these you can control lights. I mean, all of that stuff can be
It's
done
like a home
with
remote
phone.
system.
Yeah. But some people should use these, especially if they have one that's already busted, or they want an extra one.
Yeah. Everyone, want to pop in real quick? You've made it this far. Just take a quick little second to like the video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell so that you can be notified of all this awesome content. Okay? That's all.
These are okay. They're not the greatest
the
to buy,
slicer?
but they're pretty decent. This is a vintage crop meat slicer.
Do you have to put this at our the whole house?
Other remotes, but this is by Sony. These were.
So how did you find these items?
So these were like the thing. I would find them all the time at Goodwill, and I just started hoarding them.
So you just saw it, thought it looked cool, and decided to look it up?
Yeah. Well, I sold two, and then I started just buying them whenever I would see them. Is your blender correct?
KitchenAid? You have to.
Yep. See how we'll do a lot of these. Kind of ton of these. This is brand new.
Glass ones.
The glass ones are pretty easy to sell. Shipping is a problem.
Yeah. And so how do you determine what gets free shipping and what gets not free shipping?
Like that would be easy to do free shipping. If it gets lost or busted, we get to claim the warranty thing through priority mail.
Okay.
And so priority mail will give you automatically $50 unless you insure it for a little bit more. FedEx will give you the same amount, I think $100, up to $100 before you need to buy insurance.
All right, hold on 1 second. So now we just start putting boxes on there. Can we, when we're doing this though, can we just kind of keep... Well, I just want to keep an eye out because there's a crafts box and there's a box that has like all of my toiletries and stuff that I had like...
Already document this?
No.
This is a good one.
No, the other Bosch, the mixer, the stand
This
mixer.
Is part of it.
Oh, okay.
These are the attachments.
Okay, so then that should probably come home with us.
You want to take that other one too? Okay, you can do that.
Or should we just work on what we have? Because I still have a bunch of holiday stuff to... Okay.
But even this attachment is like super hard to find.
I've never even seen one of these. That's awesome. But I'm pretty sure this box is the craft box. KitchenAid crisper trays.
Brand is that?
Brookstone. Ooh, yeah.
Here's another one. This is for the Subaru.
Should it go then, or?
Just put it right there so we can put on that stuff.
Sears camping heater.
Camping heater.
Yep, this is the craft box. Kyla, another box. Craft box. The craft box. Just want to put it on top of this book so it's flat. Here.
There's a tennis rack. Are you putting it on top of the tennis rack? Small electric
control cable. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. This is just part one. So fear not. If you were like, hey, I didn't get to see what was in that box, don't worry, it's coming. We could probably be here for 2 hours if we put everything into one video, which I mean some of you might like, but for the sake of the channel, I'm not gonna do that to you. But I do hope that you all enjoyed the content, getting to see the organization aspect, getting to hear from Gabe, getting to see all of the different goodies that he has collected over the years, seeing almost like a time capsule of electronics. Some of the stuff didn't even know what it was. So it was a learning experience for all of us. I hope that you really like the content. Make sure that you hit that bell so that you can get notified when part 2 comes out. This is a mini series, so there will be multiple parts. So if you felt like we left you on a cliffhanger because you didn't get to see something that maybe you spotted early on, fear not, it's coming. I did not want to put y'all through a 2 to 3 hour video because this beast took us a minute. You organize it from the get-go, you keep it organized. Organization is your friend. Learned this the hard way. But anyway, I hope you all have a great day. Have a safe week. We will see you on the next one. It's coming. I promise. See you later, all.